All right, y'all. So yesterday I made a video about the dump that Bitcoin was undergoing, a crazy dump, as if Bitcoin had eaten Taco Bell at 3 o'clock in the morning along with a giant bowl of oatmeal with lots of prunes in it. And the level that I gave for support was this Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. In fact, if we come to the video from yesterday, we can see that I was looking to that Fibonacci golden pocket. Let's see if, yeah, right here. I was looking at this Fibonacci golden pocket right here saying this is the level that I am looking at for support. And we are coming down to that level of support right now. I'm going to be talking about whether or not we are going to hold this support. What do I expect is going to happen? I currently am in a long trade, guys. I did hop into a long right from this wick right here. It was a scalp trade setup that we did give in the VIP Discord this morning. We were looking for price to come below this, or at least come below this level of 28.18 and get a bounce from around 27.79. That's how we were able to grab the long trade from this wick. Locked in a profit here, guys. Not necessarily convinced that we are going to keep pumping to the upside, but I do have a portion of the position open, stop loss at the entry. And so let's kind of talk about what I think are the most key levels right now. 4-hour time frame is looking kind of bottomed out. I do think we can get a move to the upside, but in my gut of guts, all right, in my bones, I feel that first we're going to get a move to the downside. So these are the key levels that we need to be looking out for right now, okay? Yesterday, we talked about the fact that we had lost that 21.8K area, which was acting as key support. Today, this key support, which was support yesterday, is back to resistance. Why is that? Because this level was resistance once, twice, 3 times, then it was support, and now we have lost it, and support lost now becomes resistance. Above that, we have the daily open for today's daily candle, and then below us we have this this level right here, this $20,700 level, which is still our current support. Now, it's very, very important in my mind that we understand the macro context of this market. If we come to the 4-hour time frame and we just take a look at what happened here and we pull some volume, we can see that now that we are inside this blue line, we are back inside the value area of the asset. We are now looking to get a move down to that $20,500 area. So personally for me, although we are finding some support right now, I am looking down to that $20,500 area to potentially find some more support and get another bounce. A few things I don't like about the current bounce that we got right now is the fact that it happened it happened before New York opened. So there was not much volume coming in when we did get this first bounce. So actually what I'm looking for right now is I'm looking for a move a little bit below here, and potentially if we see some bullish divergences, then we can see that we can get a bounce from there. And right now, if we look on the 12-minute time frame, we absolutely are seeing bullish divergences, okay? We are seeing right now forming on the 12-minute time frame what is known as pig nipple divergences, guys. Pig nipple divergences are basically this. When you see the pig and it has these nipples, right? And the nipples, as the price is getting lower, the nipples are getting higher and higher and higher, going toward that anal cavity. And what is going to happen when we get to that anal cavity? All right, there's going to be a little bit of an explosive move to the upside. And we can see right now on the 12-minute time frame that we are starting to get those pig nipple divergences here. So what is the next key area of support that I am looking toward? Well, because it is a very, very high time frame level, this $20,500 area is the next key support. In fact, I'm going to draw a box right here and say that anything below 20,800 to 20,500 to me is going to be key support. If we come into this box with some bullish divergences on the medium-term time frames mixed with this big bullish green dot in the 4-hour, I do think we can get a bounce from this box. And we are bearish right now, obviously, because we are back inside the value area and we've been in a downtrend since last Wednesday. But I do think it could be enough to give us a nice trade where we could potentially come in, put in a lower high. Something like this actually ideally would be we come down to this box, we come up to the Fibonacci retracement, and then get a lower high and then continue downward. Right now, just keeping with the trend. That is kind of what I'm looking for right now, guys. So we are now getting a 12-minute red dot again on market Cipher B. And let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens. I'm still short. I'm still long. And yeah, my plan is basically to add to my short if we come up to that 21.3 area. If not, I'll obviously close it out and look to short from higher, or add to my long if we come down to some of these lower areas right here, guys. Of course, if we just pump from here, well, I'm in the long position. By the way, shout out to everybody who took that long in the VIP Discord. If you do want to join the VIP Discord, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also, if you want to learn how to trade this way where you always have a plan in advance, like what I do right now, you can check out the course. There's a 25% discount. The most important aspect of this course is that you will learn how to stop trading with emotion and chasing price, but learn how to use the skill of technical analysis to always have a plan in advance. All right, guys, I just wanted to come in and make this quick video. God bless everybody in the name of the Messiah, Jesus. I pray everybody is super blessed in multiple ways, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Peace!